Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make potato cutlets or ALOO TIKKI. So you're going to boil some potatoes. I've got around 15 here and I've just boiled them for about half an hour. And then you're going to take one onion, some coriander, some chilies, and we're going to chop them in a mini chopper here. That's only going to take a few seconds, and then we're going to add them. The onion and coriander and chilies. The potatoes I have peeled, and then I'm going to add in the coriander mixture and also the seasonings. I've got 1 teaspoon of salt here, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of dried coriander powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and then I'm going to mix that all together. And then we're going to make some potato cakes. So this is the mixture already, all mixed up. And then I would chill that in the fridge for about an hour and then make your burger-shaped patties and leave them to rest for a bit. And then you're going to fry some oil. You're going to coat the potato cakes in egg and fry them one by one and serve with some delicious green chutney. Thanks for watching.